guys, I'm stopping by to tell you about 6 AI tools that no one is talking about. Right side. This AI tool addresses the limitations of ChatGPT, turning out to be the best free ChatGPT alternative. Surfer SEO. This AI tool will give you an SEO workflow to boost your organic traffic, increases your visibility, and improve your ranking. Mid-Journey. Using this AI tool helps you create art using AI text to image. QuiltBot has a Chrome extension. They say QuiltBot has never been easier, and you can incorporate it into writing tools you already have. Lovo AI. Lovo AI, this AI voice generator and text-to-speech has realistic AI voices, and it's perfect for businesses, content creators, educators, and anyone looking to create engaging content. Jasper. This is one of my favorites. Jasper can write your marketing copy for free, generates high quality copy for blogs, social media posts, captions, ads, emails, websites, and so much more. If you like ChatGPT, you will love Jasper. Matter of fact, try it out for free. The link is in the description. Now, why no one is talking about these AI tools? Guys, these AI tools are so beneficial. Try them out, come back, leave me a comment, and let me know how they work for you.